and welcome back to my channel. This week I am planning in the week of March 4th through March 11th, 10th of 2019. I am using this rose gold collection from Cricut Paper Co. I have the mini kit here, and I think this was my very first order from Cricut Paper Co. And so I don't know if these are still available. So I purchased the mini kit, which is the 2 sheets, and then I have a glitter add-on, and then I have the washi and date cover add-on as well. And I'm thinking of using this blue with silver hollow washi from the Pink Room Co. just to kind of break up the pink a little bit. So let's get started. I will first be doing the date covers, and then I will probably move on to my washi, of course, if you know me. So do you guys ever find that, I guess those who do YouTube videos, do you ever find that your filming setup kind of changes? Like, I don't have a dedicated filming area. I use my desk, which I also use for working from home and just everyday planning, so I don't keep my filming stuff out all of the time. But this week when I tried to set my stuff up, I found that it was off. Not even kind of off, but it was, my stuff just did not seem to be in the right place. No matter what I did to move things, nothing kind of seemed right. So sorry if this video setup looks kind of funky, but I'm trying. Also, does anyone have any like non-professional tips? And by that I mean without the use of a bunch of extra equipment and stuff, to best film without shadows. Like, I have a window that's out in front of me, I have my camera up here, and then I have 2 lights that are kind of forward and to the side. And so I'm not really sure how to best get rid of the things that I don't want in my video. So this week I am going to put my washi at the bottom. I really loved my layout from last week. Kind of looked like this, where I had the washi at the top, but I think I'm going to try and reverse that this week, but kind of still do a very similar layout. It's not going to look quite the same because I don't have full ombre box checklists. I just have checklists for this layout, but I kind of want to try a very similar, if not kind of same copycat layout. So you may see me flip to this back page a lot to see kind of, to remind myself of what I did. I think here I'm gonna go in with my washi, and of course turning the planner over again. Just must be what right-handed people do. Do lefties do this too, where they have to turn the whole planner over to put down stickers and washi? And guys, I finally got a slice tool. I'm still trying to figure out the easiest way to use it and make straight lines, but we're getting there. And I really like this washi because it has the ombre vertically, because if it was horizontal, there would be variations in all the rolls, and I don't think there was variation in the rolls. I know Simply Gilded does a lot of horizontal ombres, whereas this one is vertical so that you get all of the colors. Okay, so now I'm going to put my half boxes down, but I'm going to use these quarter boxes sort of as headers, and I only have 5 of these, but luckily I also purchased the Rose Gold Micro Kit, which is just a 1-page kit, and it has the 2 extra that I need for the 5th and 6th days of the week. So I'm gonna put these down first, and actually I'm gonna use these as health markers, so I am gonna go in and write health before I, of course, put the stickers down. And to write on the vinyl stickers, I don't know if I mentioned, the Cricut Paper Co. stickers are vinyl, and so I just use a Sharpie permanent marker with the ultra fine side. I couldn't find the marker that had the ultra fine side alone, and so I bought a dual one. I want to say probably from Michael's. Prefer rounded corner boxes, or when the, I guess, just regular corner boxes? I'm not sure which one I really like more. I think I like the regular corners. I like the look of the regular corners better because there's not like that awkward little piece of line that you see there, but it doesn't bother me that you see that either, so let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm just kind of curious to see what everyone likes in their boxes. So this week I don't have any glitter headers, which I guess I could pull some from somewhere, but I think I am just going to go in with my full boxes. I should put down some glitter overlays. Okay, so my full boxes do not run the length of the Erin Condren. I guess that's because they took away those headers. So let me go and find some headers to use. I am back with this clear glitter overlay header tape from Rose Colored Days. If you watched my video from a couple weeks ago, I think it was a couple weeks ago, yep, this layout, I had used them, no, it was not this one. It was this layout, February 11th. I had used them here over my important headers, and it was kind of difficult because I wasn't able to place them down correctly or exactly where they needed to be, since this is perforated for 1.5 inches. And so I'm gonna try them again this week, but I'm trying to figure out if I just kind of want to leave this blank down here or kind of like close it off with something. And I think, you know, I'm gonna put them here, but I guess it's clear, so you're gonna see the line anyways. I don't know what I want to do now. Do I want to put this down first? Either way, I'm gonna run into the same problem no matter where I put this, so we'll try it this way this week. Just kind of leaving that blank there and putting these down. And she had these things in a few colors. Okay, this is working so much better than the last time I tried to use these. I wonder, maybe because I had something underneath it, and so it was hard to kind of place. Or maybe, I think this tape seems a little smoother than the color I had used last time. I think I used the silver last time, and this is either the rose gold or coppery color. I'm not sure which one exactly, because I know she had talked about a copper. Maybe she had mentioned that the rose gold was more coppery this round. And now I am putting these checklists down for my meals. And I just realized I didn't put anything down for my workouts, so I think I'll go back and put them here. I do have some quarter boxes that I can put there. I'm kind of wishing, oh, you know what? I can still do it. I forgot that these stickers are so easy to take off. Even though I just said that. I'm gonna kind of pull these up a little bit so that I can white this part out. Got my, I guess, life system in place. I'm not really sure if I would call it in place, but I have all of the parts and notebooks and planners and things like that that I want to use to keep my life organized. While I would say my life is pretty organized, one, because I don't have too much going on, don't have a ton to keep track of. Every time I wanted to find something, I would kind of have to go search for it somewhere, which was fine. I mean, I'm gonna have to do that anyways, even with this new system, but I've kind of divided everything up so that there's a place for it, which I'm kind of excited to try and do. So here, I'm just going to put these in here, and that's going to be, I don't know, if I want to cover that glitter header just a tiny bit, I think I'm going to do that so that I don't see that top dotted line. Dreaded Wednesday column. I hate it. I've been toying with the idea of uncoiling this, but I'm not sure what I would want to put it in. I've heard just punching it and putting it in an A5 binder works, which I think would look awesome, but that would require me to go get an A5, which I really don't need to spend money on. And so let me know what you do if you're an Erin Condren lover but a coil hater. I'd love to hear what you find works best for you. So I have this weekend sticker I'm gonna put down, I like it down here, pops. I'm trying not to put like my day-to-day things in here, but what helps me, I have every other Friday off, and knowing when my paydays are helps me know when my Fridays off are, and so I'm just gonna mark in here that I'm getting paid this week. And since I have that sticker and wouldn't have any other use for it otherwise. So last week I put down this, as you can see last week was kind of plain, but I put down this daily thing. I think I'm gonna do that again. I do want to, I wish I had some quotes or something, which I think I do somewhere, but I'm going to put this down here. to figure out something to do up here. Not really sure what I want to do with that. I think I'm gonna go and try to find some stickers or a sticker to put up here that would match well with that. So I have this sticker book from my Happy Planner times. I still have a Happy Planner that goes through the end of 2019, by the way, that I'm currently not using, but I saw this page that will probably look pretty good if I have anything left. I actually don't have much left. Let's see if there are any other things that would go well with this. I do like this gold, but since I've kind of used silver hollow and rose gold already, I may skip that. And of course I've used the one that has all the matching colors. Wouldn't that be the thing to happen right now? And there really aren't any blues, so we'll just take some of these and kind of make a little corner. Sort of, actually, I do have these little divider type things, which I'm just going to use as a divider. I'm not even going to write anything in it because it'll be perfect for covering the parts that I need covered. Crooked, and now I don't like that color that I chose. And then this one, if you can't see it, sky above me, earth below me, fire within me. So I think that's kind of cute. I decided I'm going to put this washi down here just to kind of even it out, since I did say that I wanted the blue to kind of break up all of this pretty pink. So I'm going to put that down here if I can get it close to straight. And I really love how the white part is now over here when it was up top under the Tuesday and Wednesday before. Alrighty, that is it